Alright, so let me show you what the actions of a bad neutral safety switch is, and we will turn the ignition on, and what we have is the truck is in, the shifter is in park and the truck is in park, but the indicator is in reverse. So I pull the shifter down, and as you can see, there we go. Now we're in neutral and it'll start. Watch the truck start. It kicked off just as soon as I went to neutral. Let me get it in neutral. It's really touchy. It doesn't want to go to neutral or park. It's like skipping over both of them. I just have to keep working with it. Now it's in neutral and the truck will start. Until that indicator goes to the N or the P and lights up, this truck will not start. It has to be on the N or the P, or you're not making the connection through the neutral safety switch to allow the starter to engage. So we are going to get underneath the truck. I'm going to show you where the neutral safety switch is and show you how to replace the neutral safety switch. Okay, so anytime that you are messing with your shifter, shift lever, anything underneath of the vehicle that has to do with the shifter, make sure that you have your wheels chalked. Safety first on this. Okay, so we're on the driver's side of the truck, and this is your neutral safety switch. Okay, so I get up underneath of the truck and I notice that we have a wire tie that is going around the neutral safety switch. It seemed like it was holding on there good. I'm not for sure if they was concerned about the red safety clip that goes down and locks it all in. Maybe they was concerned about it. As you can see on this neutral safety switch, if I can get a view here, you have a little bolt right up in here, little Torx, and then you have a Torx on this side. So let me get back over. And this switch should just slide out of there, just like that. You might lose a little fluid. Okay, so here's my old and here's my new neutral safety switch. This is what moves in and out as you move that shift lever. It's a little sticky, feels a little sticky when you push back on it. This one here, really smooth. Okay, so as you can see, I put a little bit of assembly goo on the seal and on the tip. This bolt needs to drop down a little bit before you can line up the neutral safety switch. You'll see it sticks up just enough to keep you from going back in there. Okay, we got it down there now. Okay, so here's the trick to getting the switch where it needs to go. You need to put the shifter all the way in low, and then you can slide the neutral safety switch back in there. If you are in park, it won't do it. It will make it go in crooked. Make sure you take this bolt out and put it all the way in low, and then you can slide the switch back there where you need it to go and bolt it up. Okay, so after you get your 2 little Torx 25s back in there, and you're still in low, you'll just want to run your shifter back up to park and go ahead and hook your shifter up. So we got our shift cable hooked up, and we've got our 2 little bolts back in. We're going to plug this up. I may end up putting a wire tie back on it myself if it doesn't feel good, because that engine does shake a lot, and it kind of worries me that they had trouble there. Yeah, I never heard anything click, so we're going to wire tie this back up the way they had it. But first, we're going to get up in this truck. We're going to make sure that that indicator is reading park. Alright, so we're at the end of the video, and what we're going to do is check and see what our no crank, no start, how we came out on that. And you can see that the indicator lamp is lit up on park.